So after a few hours, everything was finally set up, and it was the moment of truth.
Oh.
Behind you, now you can look.
Oh my!
Fired off. And that's behind the horn.
I could feel the vibrations.
Yeah.
Not even in front of the thing.
We're gonna go see what it's like on the other side. All right, so we're about 2 football fields away from the horn. We have no idea how loud this is gonna sound here. All right, Ken, fire the normal air horn. Yeah, we could hear it. Now we're a little nervous because you could hear it decently well.
All right, firing.
So for our second test, we drove about a mile away, and you can barely see the horn right here.
All right, Ken, fire. No!
We can still completely hear it.
Yes.
That's crazy.
I mean, you can hardly see that massive horn, but it's still super loud. So let's just drive.
Just keep going.
All right,
We're
let's
gonna go real far.
So from a satellite view, this is where the horn was. Here was the first spot, and then the second spot. And then here was the third spot, 2.5 miles away.
Okay, so the horn is now super far away. I literally can't see it with my naked eye.
It's so far away. Like, I can barely see it. It's right at the crest of the hill. There's a little tiny speck, and it's right there.
We're gonna do an experiment, and we're gonna test the speed of sound. We should hear it on this walkie-talkie, and then some amount of time later, we might be able to hear it from this distance. Lincoln's gonna measure the time on his stopwatch, and then we should be able to calculate from there what the speed of sound is. We're ready when you are.
Okay, I'm ready.
Wait for it. That's crazy! How long? It took 11 seconds for the sound of the horn to get here.